Okay, I've been waiting for this package all week. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Whoa, the branding is super sleek. Love the clean design. This is the 360-degree virtual tours tool from AppSumo. It claims you can create high-res virtual tours easily, and apparently you can use any camera with it. That's a big promise. Let's see if it delivers. First impression, the setup instructions are really clear. I'm going to try it out with my regular phone camera. Just a few clicks and I'm uploading my images. The interface is surprisingly intuitive, no tech headaches. It's processing my photos into a seamless virtual walkthrough. Wow, the image quality is super sharp and professional. I can move around the space in 360 degrees. There's zero lag and transitions are buttery smooth. I'm genuinely impressed by how effortless this feels. Let's break down what makes this tool stand out. First, you're not locked into one camera brand. Use your DSLR, phone, or even a GoPro, totally flexible. Second, the high-resolution output looks super professional. Perfect for real estate listings or business showcases. If you're a photographer, this adds a new service instantly. Business owners can show off their space online, easily. Setup is quick and you don't need tech skills, no complicated software or clunky hardware required. You get a polished, interactive tour in minutes. I love how everything is web-based, no downloads. Sharing the tour is as easy as sending a link. Clients can explore every corner just like being there. This could seriously boost engagement for real estate agents. Photographers offer virtual tours as an upsell. Business owners let customers preview your space online. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be this simple. The results look just as good as expensive alternatives. If you want pro-level tours without the hassle, try this. A quick warning, you'll need decent lighting for best results, but otherwise it works with what you already have. No need to buy extra gear or pay a pro. I'm definitely adding this to my toolkit. If you're curious, check out the link below. Seriously, this could change how you show your space. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you try it.